Have you ever felt like you have so much knowledge, wisdom, and life experience to share, but you're not sure where to start? Maybe you think YouTube is just for young people, influencers, or tech-savvy creators. Well, think again. If you're over 50, YouTube is actually the best platform for you to express your ideas, impact others, and yes, make money. And today, I'll show you exactly why. Let's dive in. One of the biggest reasons people hesitate to start anything new, especially something like YouTube, is fear. Fear of technology, fear of judgment, fear of failure. But as Tony Robbins says, the quality of your life is the quality of your decisions. And the truth is, YouTube is one of the best decisions you can make right now. It allows you to connect with people around the world, build a business, and leave a legacy. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a Hollywood studio. You just need a message and a smartphone. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches that our brains are constantly rewiring themselves. This means you're never too old to learn something new. Learning YouTube, video editing, and content creation may seem overwhelming at first, but your brain is designed to adapt. And guess what? There are thousands of people over 50 already thriving on YouTube, teaching everything from personal finance to gardening, from storytelling to meditation. You can do it too. If you want to understand the future of the digital economy, you need to look at MrBeast. He's not just the biggest YouTuber in the world. He's a pioneer of a new creator-driven economy. He reinvests in his content, scales his impact, and builds businesses around his brand. What does this mean for you? It means that YouTube isn't just about views. It's about building a movement, a community, and even an entire business. No matter your age, you can apply these principles and create something truly meaningful. YouTube is growing faster than ever. With YouTube Shorts, memberships, ad revenue, sponsorships, and digital products, there are more ways than ever to make money doing what you love. And guess what? The fastest growing audience on YouTube isn't teenagers, it's people over 50. Your experience and insights are valuable, and people are looking for wisdom, mentorship, and real-life stories. This is your time. Getting started is easier than you think. Here's what you need. 1. A smartphone or webcam. 2. A simple idea. What do you love to talk about? 3. A commitment to post regularly, even if it's just once a week. 4. The mindset to learn as you go. Remember, it's never too late to start. Your knowledge, your voice, your story, it matters. YouTube isn't just for kids. It's for anyone with a message to share, so don't let fear hold you back. Take that first step today, and who knows? A year from now, you might just have a thriving channel, a new source of income, and a global impact. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's stopping you from starting your YouTube journey. Let's make it happen together.